how to open Trading 212 Cash ISA account. What you have to do is just go to Google and then come and type in Trading 212 and hit enter. Once it comes, come and select the official site of Trading 212. It's going to ring you right here, and then you are going to see the option here which says open an account. Beside here, you can also do it on your mobile phone by simply locating the Play Store or App Store, and then over here simply come here to the search and tap on it, and simply come here to where we have the search bar, and then come and search for Trading 212 and then select it. Okay, so when it comes, simply come and then select the official app just like this one and then tap on it. Over here you'll be given the option to install it. I've already installed it, so after that all that you have to do is simply come and click on the open. The app is going to open and then you can start from there as well. Okay, so what I have to do is simply come and then click on open account, and then over here you have to come and then open an account. The first thing that you have to do is that you have to come and then select your country of residence, but Cash ISA is only available in the United Kingdom, so it should be in the United Kingdom. Then you have to simply come here to the next and come and click on the next. Okay, and then from here you can simply come and then choose an account that you want to open. You can change it anytime. Okay, but since we are looking at Cash ISA, we are simply going to select the Cash ISA, which gives you 4.5% interest on your savings. Okay, so after selecting it, you have to come and then set your login details by simply putting your email address here. You create a strong password I recommend. After that, all that you have to do is simply come and then check this box to accept their policies and terms, and then come and then click on create account. After that, over here you have to come and then allow them to receive transactions and then dividends and marketing events from them. So to allow it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the allow, and over here you have successfully created your account. That is it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.